Everyone, welcome back to the channel Pharma Alert. I'm Naveen, and today's podcast we are going to talk about one of the most underrated yet high paying career options for pharmacy and life science graduates. So, healthcare consultant jobs. Companies like IQVIA, ZS Associates, Deloitte, Accenture, PwC, and many other companies are actively recruiting healthcare consultants, and many students don't even know how to enter this field. So, if you're a B.Pharm, M.Pharm, PharmD, life science graduate, or even working in pharma, this video is for you. So, what is a healthcare consultant? So, first of all, what exactly does a healthcare consultant do? A healthcare consultant helps pharmaceutical, biotech, healthcare companies make better decisions using data, market research, business strategy, medical and regulatory knowledge. So, in simple words, you're not making medicines, you're guiding companies on how to sell, position, price, and grow medicines. And this is a corporate role, not a plant or lab role. Companies that hire healthcare consultants. Some top companies hiring healthcare consultants are IQVIA, ZS Associates, Deloitte, Accenture, PwC, McKinsey, BCG, and EY. Among these, you may find these companies like IQVIA and ZS are the most popular entry points for pharmacy graduates. So, next topic in this podcast is job roles and designations. So, common job titles you will see are healthcare consultant, associate consultant, business analyst, healthcare analytics consultant, market research analyst, commercial analytics executives. So don't get confused by the title. The core work is healthcare plus data plus business. So coming to the day-to-day works about the job from these job roles. Your daily work may include analyzing pharma sales data, studying market trends for drugs, supporting product launch strategies, preparing reports and dashboards, working with doctors' prescription data, non-personal, and client presentations. Most of the work is done using Excel, PowerPoint, SQL, or Python. Optional but powerful Python. So eligibility and background. Who can apply? B.Pharm, M.Pharm, PharmD, Life Sciences, Biotechnology, MBA Healthcare preferred. So if you have a pharma knowledge plus analytical thinking, you already have an advantage. So skills required, important skills to build. Strong Excel and PowerPoint, basic data analysis, understanding of the pharma industry, good communication skill, business mindset. Don't worry, companies provide training after joining. So, coming to the next important point, salary expectations in India. Now, the most important question is salary for freshers, which is starting from 4 lakh to 7 LPA on an average, and with experience minimum 2 years, max up to 4 years, 8 to 15 LPA, and top performers can easily cross 20 plus LPA in 6 to 8 years. Compared to traditional pharma roles, this is a high growth career. So, how to enter this field? Build strong Excel and PPT skill, learn basics of healthcare analytics, understand IQVIA and ZS business models, apply through career pages, companies, and their LinkedIn and employee referrals. Who should choose this career? You don't want a plant or lab work, you like corporate jobs, you want fast salary growth, and you enjoy data and strategy. So if you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with pharmacy friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this is Naveen, and let me know if you have any doubts in the comments of the video.